What's up YouTube, Darren Dyk here with Beyond Slow Motion. That was the massively talented Evan Nagao. He is the current 2018 world champion of 1A non-responsive yo-yoing. He's extremely talented at what he does, and he has a really cool YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, I'm going to link to that in the description down below. But we just spent the last week and change filming in Hawaii for a huge project that I can't wait to tell you guys about. But we spent a bunch of that time also working with some other YouTubers on some really fun videos. I left a playlist to that in the description down below and hopefully here on the screen as well. Today, there's a video dropping with Chris Chan where Evan broke the world record for longest yo-yo throw and return. If you want to check it out, again, links all over the place. Some cool stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and until next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.